What's up, Superhuman Nation? It's your boy Black Superman back with another power-packed lesson from the Tri-Pillar Physique Method. Today, we're diving deep into Pillar 1, Bodybuilding Principles, the foundation for building that strong, lean, and unstoppable physique. If you want to sculpt muscle like a superhuman, this one is for you. Let's get it. All right, team. The Tri-Pillar Physique Method's success rides heavily on smart training. Pillar 1, Bodybuilding Principles. It's all about training smarter, not harder. Here's what you need to master. 1. Muscle hypertrophy 101. Building muscle happens when you challenge your fibers with the right intensity and volume. We're talking reps in the sweet spot, 8 to 12 per set. Push yourself, but don't burn out. The goal? Controlled tension that tells your muscles, grow, grow, grow. 2. Progressive overload. This is your secret weapon. Each week, aim to increase weight and reps or improve your form. Little by little, those gains stack up like a fortress. Strength without progression, that's a plateau. That's plateau city. And we're not stopping there. All right. 3, training modalities. Mix it up, superhumans. Use supersets, drop sets, and eccentric, slow negative reps to shock muscle and keep growth steady. Try split routines or full body workouts, depending on your schedule, but keep the consistency going. All right. Consistency is king. 4, mind-muscle connection. This ain't just lifting heavy. Feel the burn. Focus the connection. Visualize each muscle contracting during exercise. This neurological focus amplifies results big time. All right. 5, recovery and periodization. Gains don't happen in the gym. They happen while you rest. Plan your training cycles, include deload weeks, and prioritize sleep and nutrition alongside training for maximum effects. This is the Tri-Pillar way, all right? You got to do this if you really want to fully transform. More tips and advice. Here's your Black Superman tip. Don't just train harder, train smarter. Keep a training journal to track your progress and make tiny improvements weekly. Or you can get the Superhuman Nation app that's going to be releasing soon, where you can track all your workouts. Focus on compound lifts, push, pull, squat, and integrate accessory work for balanced development. Remember, muscle growth is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, persistence, and precision. That's the Tri-Force mix. And that's how you build lean muscles, the Superhuman Nation way, using solid bodybuilding principles that work hand in hand with our other pillars. If you're ready to level up your training, hit that like button, drop your questions below, and share this with fellow superhumans or fellow people that you want to encourage to get better. Don't forget to subscribe for more powerhouse content hitting all 3 pillars of transformation from the Tri-Pillar Physique Method. Stay disciplined, stay energized, and as always, keep lifting like a superhuman. Until next time, it's Black Superman reminding you, strength is earned, not given. Salute, y'all. I'm out.